little package from Overtake, my sponsor. Let's open it and see what's in here. I also got another box over here that we're gonna open. If you're not buying from Overtake, you should. This blue tape with that logo on it is pretty cool. I was gonna use this forks to chip off the subframe, but it's not quite big enough. And paper is what I wanted. One box. Smaller box. And then another box. And the coveted what everybody really orders from them for, magnets. There you guys go to those if you're not do it anyways. What stickers I out. Kept it pretty tame this time. I plan on ordering more though. Nice little die cut. These are for my toolbox. Oh, this one has some flake to it. Ooh, I don't know if that will catch it, but yeah. Let's open this one. Cool little box. See, this is why I said kinda got me a nice big long one for my back window. Alright, let's see what else we got. Oh, cool. That's what I needed, another die cut. Well, thank you, Doug. I needed this for either you put it on this wall or put it between one of these pillars right here. Pretty cool. Doug's little thank you in here again. Might as well put this wicked big meat in there too, and wicked big meat, that's what she calls me. This is what the whole order was actually for. Oh, another die cut. So if you're wondering, if you order things, if it's gonna come with a die cut, chances are yes. Sorry about that. That guy was coming up with his music blaring, but I got me some new hood struts to replace what I got on there. Nice hardware. Although I'm not gonna need some of it because I got these hood spacers from Parts Shop Max. You can see I have a non-turbo hood on there, and that will lead us to just put it down here and pull it out, kind of like a magician. And here we go. I guess we could open it. Alright, here, what do we got here, huh? Perfect. Nice little D-Mag scoop, styled scoop. I'm gonna have to cut out the vents, get some mesh to put in it, but I'll for sure do that soon. But, hell yeah. If you like this, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. And the next video, I'll kind of mock stuff up on that and do the struts.
Broken boosted.